the smoke come out because the wheel yeah, it was just slippery.
Yeah.
Slippery.
They're taking photographs of us, taking photographs of them.
See, after the 10 part, everything come back. So before the part, then the people sit down, ding, 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 sit down, ding, ding, ding. Yeah, 3 minutes to bed. Your highlight.
Famous. Oh my god, no, it's mad.
Nice, eh? Funny. We'll go back and wet
Get back then.
yeah. We'll go back and wet then go back, you know. After this, we can go toilet and see the market a little bit and then waiting around here as well. When they go back. They stop here about 30 minutes and then go back. But they come there maybe another 10 minutes or 15 minutes and then go back. They come 4 times a day and come back 4 times a day. So 8 times a day, come and go, 8 times a day. The market have all day, yeah? They come 4 times and stop here about 30
And
minutes.
we've got little rollers to on the back. That's amazing. You'd never believe there's a train track there, would you?
This slip better than that slip. If you look that one, it's normal. You see, you pay more, less than 3,500, 4,500 more. See only. Yeah, this is station now, the end of the route. Okay.